Hi, my name is Stephanie. I'm from stephanieknaturals.com. I'm going to show you how to make a patchouli hard perfume. This would also be called solid perfume. This is essentially a small balm that you would carry in a little tin like this. So you want to start off with a little tin. You want to have your patchouli oil. This is patchouli essential oil. You want to carry your oil. I'm going to use almond. And a wax. You can use beeswax. You can use any number of vegetable waxes. I'm going to be using one called Candelilla wax. And I've melted this wax in a double boiler so you can see that it's already melted. And what we'll want to do is take a dropper. You want these measured droppers so you can have the measurements. Or if you have a really good eye for guessing, you can guess about 1/3 of each. So I'm going to measure out a milliliter of my wax and add it to my tin. And I'm going to do the same with the almond, measure out the same amount, and mix it together a little bit. And lastly, I'm going to add my patchouli. And I'm also going to use the same proportion and mix that into the oil and wax mixture. I'm going to let this cool, and when it's all cooled and solid, you will have a patchouli hard perfume or a solid perfume.